conseguir la victoria para el debut del equipo y bueno, también contento por el primer partido y bueno, que sea el inicio de una buena temporada.
I'm very happy overall to have played the first game. I was very happy with my personal performance and also, but the most important thing was the performance of the team. I hope that this is the start of a great season.
De lo que dice de los entrenamientos y no, nervioso no, llevo muchos años jugando y solo bueno, con ganas del debut y sobre todo de ganar, porque bueno, el primer partido en la India, de hacerlo bien para que se vea que el equipo bueno, que va a hacer una buena temporada y era importante comenzar bien.
The most important thing was that I wanted to make sure that I had a good performance. I wasn't nervous. I have many years performing and playing professional football, so this was for me. It was all about making sure that I have a good debut.
Bueno, es una aventura diferente, ¿no? Ya venir a la India, para los europeos es muy lejano la India y es una experiencia, ¿no? Que te enriquece, ¿no? Como jugador en la liga que tenemos y también como persona, ¿no? Y bueno, para mi familia, para mí es bonito venir a este país y una competición nueva para mí y donde queremos, el objetivo del equipo es intentar estar entre los 4 primeros para luchar por el título.
It's definitely an adventure for sure. This is a new country with a very different, expectations to what we have back in Spain and the leagues that I'm used to playing in. For my family as well, it's a very different experience. They're used to Spain, but now they're coming to a country which they find beautiful. And in terms of the league, what he's expecting is, just to fight as much as possible and ensure that we're in the top 4 because that's our primary objective, to make sure we make it to the semi-finals to begin with.
How big a decision was it to come to India? Did it depend on coach Sergio Lobera? What convinced you to make the journey all the way to India and ISL?
Dice que es un cambio muy diferente, que has venido desde esta muy, sabes, muy importante para ti y tu familia.
Bueno, hablé con el entrenador en España, bueno, ya lo conocía, bueno, no personalmente, pero habíamos coincidido en la etapa del Barça cuando éramos más jóvenes, él como entrenador y yo como jugador en la cantera. Y bueno, la experiencia de venir, pues ya tuve la opción el año pasado de poder venir a un equipo de aquí, pero bueno, este año ya era posible porque, bueno, aparte de mí, tenía el hijo ya que había nacido y ya era más fácil. Y bueno, pues con ilusión, con ganas de conocer el país, conocer la liga y de estar los últimos años de mi carrera aquí en Goa.
Yeah. Well, when I was in Spain last year, I did have an opportunity to come here then, but there were certain things that I didn't sort of, it all didn't measure up, so that's why I decided to let it go for 1 year. My wife was also expecting a baby, so we postponed it for a year after that. But this year also, I spoke to the coach. We did work together. I don't know him personally, but we did work together at one point at Barcelona when I was a player and he was a coach. Much younger days, of course. But that is something that we had a common connection in. And once I did get to know about the club and everything, I wanted to come here, with a lot of excitement within me to come and start this New Year's and have 2 years at the club here now.